Hey guys, this is Sandra the Goat Lady. So, we are having our Harvest Haven Workshop 101 Homesteading Workshop again, which is not this Saturday, but the second Saturday in April from 11 to noon. And we have a full program for you. I'm gonna continue teaching about the electro gardening again. We're actually going to make our own electro gardening sticks. So if you want to bring some copper wire and some branches, dried branches from your area, from your garden, that would be beneficial because it holds that energy from your garden, from your earth, right? Bring that and we build that together. We're going to make some together and I'm going to show you how I put them in the ground. I even can show you the difference on when you use electro gardening and when you're not use electro gardening. I'm also going to continue teaching about the companion gardening. We're going to talk about the peppermint, why peppermint is so good, using it for electro gardening, and what you got to watch out for and what you don't have to watch out for, and what belongs in the peppermint family, and then when to harvest it for medicinal use. Yeah, that's important. And what you can make with it, right? And then we're also going to talk about the roses, right? Roses right now are blooming, especially the wild roses. So we want to make sure that we get the full extent of that as well. But then we got also something very special. My husband's actually going to talk about the one-on-one on beekeeping. So we're probably going to go past noon. So it's right here on our farm in Pearl River, Louisiana. You can Google Cajun Corral Farm in Pearl River, Louisiana, and that brings you straight over here. The class starts at 11 on the second Saturday. It's not Sunday, it's Saturday in April. And so he'll talk about the one-on-one beekeeping. Now it's the time that you want to get your pollinators, and that's what our bees are. They not only give us that beautiful honey, but you also want to get them to pollinate your vegetables, right? So you get a bigger harvest. And so he'll talk about the one-on-one, what to watch out for, what to get, what to ask for, what you need in equipment, and things like this. And then later on in another month, he's going to go show you how to look in the hive, how to check the bees and such. So but today, not today, I'm sorry, this workshop in April will be all about the one-on-one beekeeping. Oh, we just had a bee fly by. I don't know if you guys saw it. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. If you have any questions, you can go on Facebook. The event is in there on the Cajun Corral Farm, or I'm about to put it actually on Google as well as an event, so you can even Google it as well. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing all of y'all. And by the way, admission, we take donations, and half of those donations we donate back to FLC Community Outreach, which helps people in need in our community. So food, rent, whatever, they're there. For matter of fact, they're going to have a fundraiser soon for a child that has cancer, and they're raising money in regards to that. So those are the things that FLC does for our community. So we feel giving back half of what we make in that workshop, homesteading workshop, in donations, that's just the right thing to do, right? So we're hoping that you're going to come in. We want you to come in. We invite you to come join us on this workshop, which is, make sure you bring a pen and paper, because it's going to be packed of information again. Talk to you soon. Bye.